Hello everyone, my name is Suman Dua. I'm a registered migration agent at Nationwide Migration and Education. I make new videos every week around Australian migration, and if this is the topic you are interested in, you may wish to subscribe to our channel. In this video today, we will be talking about the states that nominate applicants even when they are not working in their nominated occupation. Now, please note that before you look at the states that will nominate you without you working in your nominated occupation, you will first need to meet the minimum requirements that are set by the Department of Home Affairs. So these requirements are that you need to be under 45 years of age, you need to have a positive skills assessment in your nominated occupation, you need to have competent English, and you need to have a minimum point score of 65 points, including state points. So the first state that will invite you without you having to work in your nominated occupation is South Australia. South Australia has waivers for applicants who are living in outer regional South Australia. And if you're someone who is living in outer regional South Australia and working in any skilled occupation, you can be eligible for their nomination. Now, South Australia also has other streams like long-term residents of South Australia and talent and innovators stream, where the applicant does not need to be working in their nominated occupation. There are also options available for applicants who are running their own businesses in South Australia. We do have various videos explaining South Australia's nomination criteria. We will post the link in the description below. The next state on my list is Tasmania. Now, Tasmania has working in Tasmania category, where you must have been working in Tasmania for a minimum of 6 months immediately prior to your application for a 491 state nomination. You do not have to be working in your nominated occupation. We do have various videos explaining Tasmania's state nomination criteria. We will post the link in the description below. The next state on my list is Northern Territory. Northern Territory usually would only nominate an applicant who is working in their nominated occupation. However, they do look at applications where the applicant is not working in their nominated occupation in exceptional circumstances. Now, as per the requirements, applicants who have been employed on a full-time basis for at least 6 consecutive months in an occupation that is not an eligible occupation may qualify for a subclass 491 nomination on an exceptional and case-by-case basis if they are able to demonstrate that the employer has made genuine efforts to recruit locally and the position cannot be filled by an Australian citizen or permanent resident. At a minimum, evidence should include copies of advertisements placed and a statement from the employer detailing the number of applicants and reasons as to why no Australian citizens or permanent residents have not been recruited. They will also need to demonstrate that there is a genuine need for the position in the business. At a minimum, evidence should include a detailed statement from the employer explaining the need for the position and how the vacancy arose. And also, you will have to demonstrate that you have made genuine and sustained efforts to obtain employment in your nominated occupation or a related occupation in Northern Territory. And at a minimum, evidence must include copies, screenshots of applications made for relevant jobs and any feedback received. Applicants who are on a temporary work skilled subclass 457 or temporary skills shortage visa subclass 482 must provide a letter of support from your current subclass 457 or 482 sponsoring business stating that they support your visa application and understand that you will not be tied to their business once the subclass 491 subclass 190 visa is granted. The next one on my list is Canberra. Now, Canberra invites applicants for 491 nomination even if they are not working in their nominated occupation. However, in return, they do need high metrics points and their occupation needs to be on their critical skills list, which gets updated every 3 months. Canberra also has a small business owner stream, which does not require you to be working in your nominated occupation in your business. Your occupation also does not have to be on the critical skills list, and you can choose any occupation from the MLTSSL, STSOL, or ROL list. We have a video regarding Canberra's small business owner stream, and we will put the link in the description below. The next state on my list is Queensland. Now, Queensland has a very competitive nomination process due to low number of places available to this state. However, if you are applying under small business owner stream, you can choose any occupation from the MLTSSL, STSOL or ROL list, and you do not need to purchase the business related to your nominated occupation. We have various videos explaining the requirements. We will put the link to those videos in the description below. So these are all the states who nominate applicants even if the applicants are not working in their nominated occupation. So if you are somebody who is not working in their nominated occupation, please get in touch with us so that we can find best state options for you. Stay updated about Australia's immigration. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel.